Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can unfriend someone on Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. So first you need to click your profile picture on the top right corner and then choose your profile. Then here under your name and profile picture, you will be able to see friends. You're gonna click that. You will be able to see your friends here. You can also see your recently added friends and all of your friends. And you just need to click the three dots next to their name and click unfriend. And then you need to confirm that you want to unfriend this person. Alright, so all in all, this is how you unfriend someone on Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.